This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sylvia I. Gaza. Beautiful and modern new construction in Brickell. Interiors designed by acclaimed Adriana Hoyos. Open and spacious floor plan features 9 feet ceilings, Italian kitchen cabinetry, quartz countertops, ceilings, Bosch Stainless Steel appliances, in-unit washer/dryer, impacts windows, large terrace. This unit has additional storage. Building features Lanai Level indoor/outdoor social club, pool, gardens, billiards room. Business center, rooftop with skyline view, state-of-the-art gym, outdoor spa, outdoor bar, reflecting pool, and lounge areas. Great location, steps to the train, Brickell Village, downtown, and more. For more